You've watched 40 hours of cybersecurity courses. You've got 3 note-taking apps full of acronyms, CIA Triad, OSI Model. You could pass a quiz right now, but you've never actually broken into anything. That's the problem, and today I'm telling you to stop. This is Cyberflux, and this video isn't about quitting education. It's about flipping the order, because most people get this backwards, and it's why 90% of aspiring hackers never actually become one. Here's what happens. Someone wants to get into cybersecurity. They Google how to become a hacker. They get a 6-month roadmap, networking fundamentals, then Linux, then Python, then a dozen certifications, and only after all that, maybe, some actual practice. By month 3, they're burned out on theory they can't apply to anything real. No context, no stakes, no fun. So they quit. Compare that to someone who opens a beginner lab on day 1, gets stuck, and has to learn what a port is because they need it, right now, to solve the box in front of them. Same information, completely different retention, because now it's attached to a problem you actually care about solving. You don't need to understand the entire TCP/IP stack to start. You need enough to take your next step. That's it. So here's the actual move. Go to a platform built for legal, hands-on practice. Try HackMe or Hack the Box are the standard starting points. Pick a beginner-friendly room, something like Try HackMe's pre-security path or an easy HTTP machine. Don't research it first, just start. When you hit a wall, and you will, in the first 5 minutes, that's your cue to go learn exactly the concept blocking you, not the whole subject. Just that piece. You'll Google, what is a reverse shell, because you need one, not because it was next on a syllabus. And you will never forget what a reverse shell is again. This creates a loop. Hit a wall, learn the minimum to get past it. Apply it immediately. Hit the next wall. That loop is basically the entire skill set. Real hackers, real pen testers. This is how they still learn today. Nobody in this field ever finishes the theory and then starts. You're always mid-lab, mid-CTF, mid-project, learning exactly what the moment demands. And there's a side effect nobody tells you about. You start building a portfolio without trying. Every box you root, every CTF you place in, every write-up you publish, that's proof. Way more valuable to an employer than a certificate saying you sat through a course. Now, I'm not saying never study. Certifications like Security Plus or OSCP matter later, especially for getting hired. Structured learning has its place, but it should come after you already have direction. Once you've broken a few boxes, you'll know exactly what you don't understand. Now when you take a course, you're filling specific gaps, not memorizing abstractions you have no hook for. Theory first burns people out. Practice first with theory on demand keeps you moving. So here's your assignment. Not watch a course. Go create a free Try HackMe account. Do 1 room today. Get stuck. Google the thing that's stopping you. Fix it. Move on. That's the whole method. That's how everyone who's good at this actually got good. Stop preparing to start. Just start. If this helped, subscribe. Cyberflux drops a new one every week. See you in the next one.